Imagine the leaves turning golden and brown, a cool breeze rustling them on the ground, while inside a warm kitchen, the scent of a hearty, protein-rich meal wafts through the air. The arrival of fall calls for cozy comforts, and what could be more comforting than a hearty meal that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body? Today, we're diving into the world of high-protein comfort meals that are perfect for this fall season. Protein, a vital nutrient for our bodies, helps repair tissues, build muscles, and keep our immune system robust. And when it's incorporated into delicious comfort meals, it makes for a winning combination. Imagine meals that are as nutritious as they are satisfying, bringing the warmth and coziness of fall right onto your dining table. From skillet mac and cheese with a healthy twist to a savory pulled pork baked potato topping, we've got a lineup of dishes that are not only high on taste but also packed with protein. So without further ado, let's dive into our first scrumptious fall recipe. Scene script. Picture this, a bubbling, cheesy skillet of mac and cheese but with a nutritious twist. Now let's dive into the delightful process of creating this dish, shall we? First off, we're going to need some whole wheat macaroni. This isn't just any pasta, mind you, but a healthier alternative packed with fiber and protein. Cook it according to the package instructions, but make sure to keep it al dente. You want it to hold its shape when we mix it with our other ingredients later. While our macaroni is cooking, let's turn our attention to the veggies. Chop up some fresh zucchini. This not only adds a nice crunch to our dish, but also a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Then let's dice some pimiento peppers. These little guys will bring a pop of color and a hint of sweetness to our mac and cheese. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, the cheese. For this recipe, we're going to use a blend of sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. The cheddar brings a bold, tangy flavor, while the Monterey Jack melts beautifully, giving us that creamy, gooey texture we all love in a good mac and cheese. Once our macaroni is cooked, drain it and set it aside. In the same skillet, sauté the zucchini until it's just tender. Then add in the pimientos. Stir in some milk and then slowly add in our cheese blend, stirring continuously until it's fully melted and smooth. Now it's time to combine everything. Add the cooked macaroni back into the skillet and stir until it's fully coated in our creamy, cheesy sauce. Let it cook a little longer, allowing all the flavors to meld together and the cheese to bubble up around the edges. And there you have it, a comforting skillet mac and cheese that's not only delicious, but also packed with protein. This is a dish that truly satisfies, making you feel cozy and nourished all at once. Enjoy! Next up, we're venturing into the vibrant flavors of Mexico with our protein-rich chicken enchiladas with white sauce. Get ready to immerse your senses in a culinary journey as we dive into the preparation of this delectable dish. Our star ingredient, chicken, is not only high in protein but also incredibly versatile. It'll be the heart of our enchiladas, providing a substantial protein punch that keeps you satisfied for hours. Start by cooking your chicken. You'll want it perfectly seared, imbued with a hint of golden brown goodness. Once cooked, shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. This is where our enchiladas start to take shape. Next, let's talk about our white sauce. This smooth, creamy concoction is the secret to our enchiladas' melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Begin by melting butter in a saucepan, then whisk in some flour to create a roux. Gradually add in milk, stirring continuously to keep our sauce silky smooth. Now, add in a generous amount of cheese, allowing it to melt into the sauce, infusing it with a rich, savory flavor. Now, it's assembly time. Take your tortillas and fill each one with your shredded chicken and a spoonful of cheese. Roll them up snugly and arrange them in a baking dish. Pour your creamy white sauce over the top, letting it seep into every nook and cranny. Sprinkle some more cheese on top, because let's face it, there's no such thing as too much cheese. Pop your dish into the oven and let it bake until the cheese is bubbling and golden. The heat from the oven melds everything together, intensifying the flavors and creating a comforting, cozy dish that's perfect for a chilly fall evening. Not only are these enchiladas delicious, but they're also packed with protein. With every bite, you're getting a hearty serving of protein from the chicken and cheese. So, not only are you satisfying your taste buds, but you're also fueling your body with essential nutrients. The result? A warm, cheesy, satisfying meal that's loaded with protein. Now prepare your taste buds for a delicious twist on a classic, pulled pork baked potato topping. Imagine the comfort of a baked potato, soft and steamy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Now imagine it topped with juicy pulled pork, a savory delight that's not just scrumptious, but packed with protein. Let's dive into this culinary journey together. Firstly, we'll need a good-sized potato. A humble spud is not only a great source of fiber, but it also offers a decent amount of protein. While our potato is baking to perfection, we'll prepare our pulled pork. Opt for a lean cut, as it's an excellent source of protein and can be lower in fat. The magic of pulled pork lies in its slow cooking. The low and slow method renders the meat incredibly tender, practically falling apart. It's an exercise in patience, but the result is absolutely worth it. While our pork is slowly transforming into a mouthwatering masterpiece, let's talk about flavor. We'll be using a mix of spices, herbs, and a touch of sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. Not only does this give our pork a flavorsome kick, but it also adds a beautiful caramelized texture on the outside. As our pork reaches its tender best, we'll pull it apart using 2 forks. This shredding method is where pulled pork gets its name. The result? Delectable strands of juicy pork bursting with flavor, ready to top our baked potato. Finally, we'll assemble our dish. The baked potato forms a fluffy, warm bed for our pulled pork, but we're not done yet. A final sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dollop of sour cream can add an extra layer of flavor and texture. Remember, this dish isn't just about comfort. It's a protein powerhouse. The combination of potato and pork delivers a hefty protein punch, making this dish not just satisfying, but also nutritionally balanced. And there you have a comforting, protein-rich meal that's sure to satisfy. Let's take a moment to look back at the delicious, protein-packed meals we've prepared today. We kicked off our culinary journey with a delightful skillet mac and cheese with zucchini and pimiento, a dish that not only satisfies your cheese cravings, but also packs a punch with its protein content. Next, we moved on to the chicken enchiladas with white sauce. This dish, brimming with protein, offers a unique twist on a classic, providing comfort and nutrition in every bite. We concluded our cooking adventure with the pulled pork baked potato topping, a meal that combines the hearty flavor of pork with the wholesome goodness of baked potato, giving you a protein-rich dish that's perfect for a cozy fall evening. These meals are not just about high protein content, they're about embracing the comforting feeling of the fall season with food that nourishes your body and soul. Remember, a high-protein diet doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort or flavor, so go ahead and enjoy these hearty, nutritious meals this fall. Stay healthy and cozy.